Coronavirus case numbers continue to climb in Hampton Roads. Tonight, News 3 talked exclusively with Governor Ralph Northam about the recent data for our area, the importance of wearing a mask, schools, testing, and the possibility of further COVID restrictions. Here's News 3 reporter Zach Dahlheimer with the story you'll see only on News 3.
Together, if we're all part of the solution, we can get through this.
Virginia Governor Ralph Northam talking exclusively with News 3 as he continues monitoring COVID numbers in Hampton Roads and across the Commonwealth.
At what point do you say, let's roll things back from a reopening standpoint?
We are watching the positivity rate very closely, especially in Hampton Roads. The positivity rate is up over 12%. That is very, very concerning.
Do you see any further restrictions coming down the line soon?
All of our options are on the table, whether we need to, to offer more restrictions, whether we need to go back to limit our restaurant capacities, our gathering capacities. All of these things are something that I think about.
On schools, Northam says all children will be educated, but education will look different across the state.
I know that one size doesn't fit all. Out in rural Virginia, our class sizes are smaller, so it allows us to keep our distancing, to wear facial protection, etc. In the urban areas, for example, in Hampton Roads, in Norfolk, and Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, Newport News, it's difficult.
Northam's also calling for more testing in the Eastern District and be able to trace.
What I'm hearing from our tracers in Hampton Roads is that a lot of these cases are coming from bars and restaurants and large gatherings.
I also asked him about the state's mask mandate.
Why is it important to wear a mask?
It's not only to protect ourselves, but perhaps more importantly, to protect those that are around us. I think most importantly, as a physician, Zach, I worry very much about our hospital capacity. I worry about our frontline workers, whether they be in hospitals, in clinics, in nursing homes, in food processing plants. We need to protect these individuals. And if I see the numbers continue to go up, if I see our hospital capacity get affected, more limited, then we're going to have to make other decisions to keep people safe in Virginia.
Northam tells me they've stepped up enforcement and will continue enforcing guidelines. He has a message for Virginians.
Wear a mask, keep their social distance, and wash their hands. And if they do, we'll be able to continue what we're doing now.
Zach Dahlheimer, News 3.